Hey you guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make chicharrón en salsa verde. It is super easy, and the hardest part about it is not eating all the chicharrón before you get it cooked in the salsa. I'm going to show you how to make this super easy recipe.
This is the new song that I made. I needed some non-copyrighted music, but I couldn't find any, so I had to make my own, and I have no idea what I'm doing.
Do you guys like these chicharrón? I think they're so delicious. I'm going to show you how to turn these into dinner. We're going to need 3 chile serrano, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion, and some tomatillos. This, I already washed it and took the paper stuff off, and I'm just putting it all straight into the blender, putting the garlic in there, and the chile serrano, probably going to use about 1.5 of the chile serrano. They're not usually as spicy as the jalapeno, but you can just smell the top if you're concerned about the heat. But with this amount of tomatillos, it should be okay to use just 1.5, and this will give it flavor. I'm also going to be adding a small piece of onion to the blender, along with a little bit of water. This is about 1 cup of water. I always have a habit of adding too much, but since we're frying the salsa, you can cook out the water if you do add too much water. And about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we're just going to blend that up. The next step for the salsa is to fry it. And we're just going to let that simmer away on the stove while we finish cutting the rest of our ingredients to go on top of our plate. Alright, so what I'm going to put on top of the plate, I'm going to top it with a little bit of lettuce as well as some diced onion and a few slices of radish. I really like this meal, guys, because it seems fancy, but it takes just a couple of minutes to throw together. If you got lost playing Minecraft with the kids all day, like that sometimes happens to me, this is a very quick meal that you can just stick on the stove, chop some veggies, and it's pretty much done. The hardest part about this meal is not eating all the chicharrón before you actually get to cook it. So basically, when your salsa is done simmering for a little bit, about 10 minutes, you just want to toss in all of the chicharrón and let it absorb the salsa. It doesn't have to cook very much at all. This is just really quick. You toss it in and I submerge it all. I just want it all to get coated onto the chicharrón, and that's basically it. Then we start plating it up, and of course I'm going to be serving this with some refried beans on the side, and I will be topping it with our salad. And don't forget to check your salt, and if you want it more thin, you can add a little bit more water, and if you like it thicker, let it absorb more of the salsa into the chicharrón before you plate it up. And the same thing with the beans. I just make a quick refried beans. If you like it thicker, don't add so much water. I like the beans a little bit more smoother, so I add more water. To finish plating, I'm going to go ahead and add my shredded lettuce on top, as well as a little bit of the diced onion, a couple slices of the radish because I like the pink contrasting color, and a couple slices of avocado just because who doesn't love avocado, right? I like to drizzle it with sour cream or crema mexicana, whichever one I happen to have on hand, which is usually always sour cream. And I just water it down because the sour cream to me is a little bit too thick, so I just add milk or water, and that's it. That's the video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to never miss another video.
That I made. I needed some non-copyrighted music, but I couldn't find any, so I had to make my own, and I have no idea what I'm doing.